Am I live now? Hello? Can you guys see me and hear me? Can you guys see me? Hello? I am not audible. Am I audible? But not visible, right? Is it? I'm fixing the issue. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Uh, yeah. There's some camera issue. I don't know. I did it for the first time and I needed to connect the software. Just give me 2 more minutes. It'll be fixed. By the time you guys can ask your questions in the comment section in the live chat. You guys can hear me, right? I can't see who is watching, so yeah, so there are a lot of chats. I'll see them. Just give me a second. I need to fix this issue because there's some issue with the camera and I did not expect this. Yeah. I think I needed a better software, but I got this. This is the first time I'm coming live on YouTube. Yeah, so if you've got any questions, then you can ask me in the chat. I'm reading all the comments. I'm sorry for the visibility issue, but I don't know what is happening with it. And I'm trying to fix it, but it is just loading. There's nothing on the screen except black. Yeah, I can see it. That's what I'm fixing. You guys can ask me if you've got any questions right now. I'm here. I can't see who is viewing this, but yeah. Audio is clear, right? Yeah. I'm fixing it. I never expected this kind of thing happening here. I think I need to do something about it. My mic is at its full, and I did connect my camera to it. Uh, just give me a second. I'll be audible to you guys anyways. I need to figure this out right away. Yep, Aryan. Aryan, you can ask your question. I'm sorry for the background noise. I was not very sure about it. Am I visible now? Hello? Am I visible in the stream now? I'm not very sure how I'm visible, because this software is not what I expected it to be like. This is not happening well. Just give me a second. I'll fix the issue. Yeah. Now I'm visible, but I don't think so that it's happening in a nice way. Is it happening nicely? No? Okay. Now? Perfect? But it's still fine, I guess. You can look at it with full screen. Is it okay or not? I don't think so that it's okay. Is it? Am I looking fine? Or is there some issue still? Okay. Yeah. So now I don't think so that it's happening pretty well. But whatever it is, let's accept it. How is it now? It is still not went on full screen, right? Has it? No. Fine, but whatever it is, let's accept it. So finally this issue was resolved. Okay. Yeah, so now I'll just get back to the chats. And do share this live stream with as many people as you can. The ratio is fine too, but I think that my face is looking quite like that. You wouldn't get me, but it is not coming that well. But whatever it's the first live stream. So let's respect that fact. And let's get back to the question. So the only person who asked me questions was Aaron. And his question was, if I jump off rocket from the space, provided that there's no planet that I am jumping in, what will happen to me? So you cannot jump off you cannot jump off a rocket when you are on it. It will cause you severe damage and you will fly off in space because of gravity. So in space there is always gravity which pulls you in opposite direction which you want to follow. Because there is no air, then you won't be able to fall on anything, because the same vacuum is acting on you as well as on that planet. The planet has got that much gravity that it can be attracted by the sun, but your gravity with respect to it is zero. Like you would have read about the law of gravitation by Isaac Newton. So according to it, a larger body attracts a smaller body, but the smaller body also applies some force on a larger body, but the force is not of that much magnitude that it can pull it. So that's what the fact is. So you will fly off into space somewhere, and maybe you can end up in a black hole, and then you will go through the process of spaghettification. You'll be pulled into a spaghetti, then squashed like a balloon, and bad things are going to happen with you for sure. I'm sorry for the background noise. Please share this live stream with as many people as you can, because this is the first live stream and I want people here. I'm sorry for all the inconveniences that happened before it. The ratio isn't that well, right? Still. Yeah. Share it as much as you can. You guys can continue in the chat. Why did you guys stop? Samriddhi. Yeah, Samriddhi is here. Just give me a second. I'm checking your question. So the thing is that never fall off your rocket. Don't try to fall off your rocket. First of all, millions of dollars have been spent on you to go on that rocket, and if you just decide to jump off the rocket, don't do that. It won't help you in any ways. You're just gonna make turn those $1 million into sand. So I have one question. How and when Okay, so it's about making cosmic wonders. So it happened actually last year. When I thought that I have read sufficient amount of books and I have already delved deeper into the universe, I decided to share my knowledge with others, because I wanted others to know that they are a part of this universe and not just a part of a very small community. I want people to think that they belong to the universe and not just to a small community, because it is not right. People don't know about the universe they're a part of. It just ends on this earth and that's it. They don't want to even delve deeper into the solar system. So I wanted people to know about it, and with that motive itself, I started Cosmic Wonders last year in the month of March. So I might come live on 5th of March because I started this channel on that day itself. I wanted to ask you guys about your interests. What are your future plans? Is it science? And if it is, then why science? If it is some other topic, some other subject, then why that subject? I'm quite curious about it. Do share this live stream as much as you can, please. What do you think about the multiverse? So, see, this is one of the most fascinating topics in science. Undoubtedly, multiverse, parallel universe is thing that you need to know about, because of course we are not the superior ones. It is not just our universe existing here, and it is not just the human species which is alive. There are multiple universes, there are multiple forms of life in our universe. And time travel, which is the technology of tomorrow, is possible because of multiverse. So if time travel ever happens, then it can just happen because of multiverse. I've made around 6 to 7 videos about multiverse, and I'll encourage you to watch them, but just let me just give you a gist of it here. So multiverse basically means existence of many universes. Like, you are right now living in your universe, but there are multiple universes other than this universe in which different timelines are going on. So the second which is passed away was a part of some other universe. That second is still a part of some other universe, and the next second it's some other universe. It sounds very confusing, but when you read about it, it's very good. So like, you have already been married in some other universe, you have already been dead in some other universe, and you are not even born in some other universe. So that's how fascinating multiverse is. Because of the existence of multiverse, you can create a time machine. You cannot play with the timeline, with the original timeline. So if ever a time machine gets invented, then you can travel to your parallel universe through the multiverse, but not to your original timeline. That's how multiverse helps you in the concept of time machine. Full stack web developer, well, that's a great thing to be, for sure. Share it as much as you can, people. Yeah, actually, see, Elon Musk once said that the fiction of his time is a science fact today. So when he read about rockets going to Mars, it was a fiction of his time that one species from one planet is traveling to another species. Like, we have not detected the species yet, but to another planet. It was a fiction of his time, and that person is making it possible by himself. He is building a rocket which will go to Mars in the year 2024 with an all-women crew, and we are going to explore Mars in real. We have already sent multiple robots, multiple, like the most recent one was Perseverance by NASA. Even India has also sent its MOM, Mars orbiter mission to Mars, which set into the orbit of Mars, I guess, if I'm not wrong, on 14 September 2014. We are still making records of Mars through that rover itself. That is what NASA is doing. So I can proudly say that that humans have advanced a lot since the year 1969. In 1969, when Apollo 11 was launched, it was said it was very not very sure that humans will return back to the earth. That's why Neil Armstrong and the other two who went with him signed many papers, autographs of himself, so that if he dies there, then people can know that this person actually went there. So it is very fascinating to see that how science developed. Yes, people, don't forget to like the live stream and share it as much as you can. And you can ask anything that you want to ask in the live chat. This is the first time I'm coming live here. See, talking about motivation to work, motivation comes from your own side when you decide your goals. If you don't have your ultimate goal, then you would not work towards it because you don't have any motivation to work about a particular thing. Uh, your motivation to wake up in the morning and to stay alive tomorrow is your motivation in a way. So if you just decide to do something different, then you have to be motivated about it by yourself. Nobody can motivate you. Like Sandeep Maheshwari can do anything, can speak out anything, but it can have an impact on you for the next 1 or 2 days, but it wouldn't help you in any way. So actually, the motivation comes from your own self, from inside, and nobody else can do it for you, sadly. So if it is science, then just think about doing something different, something which can, how can your 75 years of existence help this world to become a better place? What is your ultimate goal in life? So it is only you who can decide it by yourself. But it's not necessary for you to just choose science. You can choose any subject and just do reach every limit in it. Yeah, so I've got one more. Richard Feynman was an excellent scientist, but see, I don't use anyone's techniques for my own studies. I've seen many videos of Richard Feynman, and he is a very nice scientist. The way he explains magnetic field in a very nice way. And Michio Kaku was also motivated to take up science because of him. He told about it in one live stream. Yeah. So as such, I don't use any study techniques of any particular person. I just study whatever I want to. My ultimate goal is to develop research culture. So I'm working towards it. I want people to think about whatever is happening around them on daily basis, and they just don't care about it really. Share it as much as you can, people. I've not as such made any projects. Like I'm working on my research papers. If you count it as a project, I've already decided my field. I'm going for astrophysics major, because I love astrophysics and I want people to know about the subject. It is a very least known subject. Not many people know about it. Astrophysics, cosmology, and things like that. And I'm very curious for people to know about it. That's why I'm taking up that subject. And I love science, so I want to do something in it. I want to make my 75 years, if it is that much, my lifespan count in this field of science, and that's why I began at this age. I'm very sorry for the quality of the live stream. It is the first time I'm coming live, so I don't actually know how to do it. The next time I can say for sure that it's gonna be much better than this. I might even end up deleting this live stream in the future. I try not, though. Share it as much as you can. The ratio of the live stream is still not very good, but let's just do with it. I don't really know what to do about it. Yeah, I'm sorry for though. The next time it's gonna be better. You guys can ask any questions and don't forget to share it. I tried to fix the ratio, but I don't think so that it got fixed. Did it? Is it now? Is it fixed now? Is it better? Okay. Let's do with it right now. The next time I'll maybe go live with my phone. I think there's a little bit of lag because I'm. Is there any lag? Am I lagging behind? It's okay. It's okay for the first time. Do you have any questions? So that's a good question. So, who inspired me to pursue science? I can talk for hours about this person. So, it was Stephen Hawking who just motivated me to take up science as my career. Stephen Hawking was not very much good physically. Everybody knows that he was suffering from a neuron disease. Which could not be cured in people, and doctors told him that after the age of 23 he might not be able to live, but that person lived till the age of 72. So it was predicted that he'll die somewhere in 1950s, and he lived until 2018, 24th March. And the way that person was motivated to take up science even after all of the things that he suffered from, and the way he went against the world and just told that he gave the black hole equation. I cannot explain it right here because it is quite complicated. But the way he went against the world, the way he went against his own professors was amazing. And he was an amazing personality, and that's he did not like Albert Einstein that much. That's why even I don't like Albert Einstein that much. If you just take up the theory of relativity, then it did contribute to science. But if you just read about his personal character, then he was not a very good person. He even copied a theory of one of the Indian scientists. I'm not able to remember his name, but he did it. Like that person, that scientist of India sent him the theory he wrote in English. He sent it to Albert Einstein to check it, and then he converted it into Greek and then published it by his name, which is a corrupt practice. That's why I don't like Albert Einstein that much, but it was Stephen Hawking who motivated me to take up science and astrophysics. The Theory of Everything, yes, I've obviously seen. I've also seen Hawking, which is a very underrated movie. Not many people have seen it, but if you just see that movie, you'll get to know how Stephen Hawking went through all this, how he caught that disease. So it's an amazing movie. You can watch anything about Stephen Hawking. At least for me, he motivates me to just read more and more. Because even after suffering from that kind of disease, that person was too much into science. He just wanted his lifespan to contribute. And he is who keeps me going. Thanks, Aaron, for sharing it on your status. Do share it as much as you can. I want people here. I want to clear doubts today. I'm sorry for the background noise. I don't know if my mother is really watching this stream. Okay, just let me play with the screen once again because here it is showing. Okay, how is it now? You guys can ask me anything in the comment section, in the live chat. I'm here to read it. Not just about science, you guys can ask anything, but just don't go into the technical stuff except science. Okay, so you want me to tell you something about the universe? Yeah, okay. So, it is not just our universe which is here. There are multiple universes. And we just know 0.5%, we just know 5% of the universe, and the rest of the 95% is all dark. There's also one simulation theory that the 95% universe which is dark might be the universe which is controlling us. The God, which people term, is actually the dark side of the universe which we cannot see. And the way we control robots to do things for us, that species or whosoever that is in the dark side of the universe is controlling us to do their things by us. We are helping them to discover something new, to discover something about our 5% known universe. Talking about the universe. So the universe is a very big deal. If you just want it me to tell you about the universe in one line, then it's a group of galaxies. A solar system or any planetary system is a group of planets. A group of planets or a group of planetary system is a galaxy, and then a group of galaxies, many galaxies, is a universe. In the center of each and every galaxy, there is a black hole. There are two galaxies which you might have heard about. First one is Milky Way, in which you are living in right now. The second one is Andromeda, which is a neighboring galaxy which looks just like Milky Way. The black hole in the center of Milky Way is called Sagittarius asterisk, while that in the center of Andromeda is called Messier 31. One thing which is actually different about both of these galaxies is the size of the black hole. The size of Sagittarius asterisk is very smaller as compared to that of Messier 31, which is a remarkable thing, which should not have happened, because if these two galaxies are almost the same. So these two galaxies are spiral galaxies. There are galaxies with many different dimensions, but these two are spiral. Their shape is same, their size is same, but then why is Messier 31 bigger than that of Sagittarius asterisk? This thing is not known yet. It will be known soon. We are waiting for that day. If you've got any particular thing to ask, if you've got questions to ask about any particular thing, then you can ask me here, because the universe is a whole deal. I can talk about it for hours and it won't end. That's what the universe is. The universe is infinite. And there are many theories about the origin of the universe, which I recently made a video about. And presently, according to the Big Bang theory, our universe is expanding in a way. and one day it will start contracting. So whoever is poor, whoever is rich, whoever, whichever color, race, custom that person belongs to, everyone has the same fate like dinosaurs. Asteroid attack, it impacted the entire species of dinosaurs and they all in all became extinct. So, any universal damage which is done to the earth will cause harm to each and every person equally. That's why I'm not able to get these differences which are created in the society, because we had a common beginning, we have a common ending. All these things will just be in the dust one day, and it'll all be just one, and we will be known as a human species which lived once on this planet. It will be talked about the species which is coming next. Yeah, so I talked a lot right now. Share it, people. We've got very less people here. We should be having more. For sure. No worries. I'll again play with the dimensions then. That's what I'm doing. It should be nice now. But it is not. It should be though. That's the max I could do here. I think I chose the wrong angle as well. I should have chosen a different one. I'm here in the chat. Share it as much as you can. Don't forget to like it if you tune in. It's not just about science. You guys can ask me anything. I'm here to answer your questions. You can go. I don't know about that. Just give me a second, I'm coming, okay? Can you guys hear me now? It is a hot burning topic indeed. I don't know if I should comment on it or not, but see, no religion invented anything in science. It is humans who invented science. Or you can trust on the vice versa thing that it was science which invented humans. The division was done by humans themselves, and people are seeing the consequences of that division right now. It was not a very good decision, it was not wanted by people. Uh, so, that's all I can say about it. Can you guys hear me? Am I equally audible right now? Hey. I'm not very sure about these curtains. It's sunny outside. I went away, then people went away. This is not done. I can't see who is watching. That's the main game. Why the name Cosmic Wonders only? It makes you remind of people who think about the cosmos, who are exploring the cosmos, who want to explore the cosmos, and who, in a way, are interested in the cosmos. So, cosmos is a synonym of universe. That's why I went for the Cosmic Wonders. Because when you think about the universe, you think about everything. Because the universe is everything, there's nothing more or less than it. There might be more than it, multiple universes, that's the multiverse, but presently it's the universe which is winning over everything. That's why the name the Cosmic Wonders. So other than choosing astrophysics as your goal, besides astrophysics, I like to read about everything, mostly everything. Learning is always good, and learning should not be limited to a particular subject, to a particular syllabus, or to your particular interests. It is very important for you to go beyond your interests. It is very important for you to go beyond your comfort zone. I read things beyond astrophysics multiple number of times, and recently I've been developing an interest in finance. And I also like psychology. It's an interesting subject to read about. Cosmology is something related to astrophysics, but it's more theoretical, so I like cosmology as well. Literature was never my game, so I don't like literature that much. I like mathematics, which astrophysics has got wholly mathematics, so I like mathematics. I like social affairs, like the news thing, but I don't like political affairs thing. I'm away from. I just keep away from it. I don't like it that much. Worldly affairs, I like international affairs. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And that's what it is. Computer science. I like computer science. I like programming. Where do you see yourself in 10 years from now? So, 10 years from now is a long time to be in. 10 years from now, I for sure want to be an astrophysicist, uh, and I want to develop research culture. So, I would have started by that time to work on my main goal for development of research culture. So I cannot say anything. Maybe I'm just an astrophysicist or I'm a business person in astrophysics developing research culture. Ultimate goal is to develop research culture is to make the youth think about whatever is happening around them, because I cannot change the old, but I can change the new. So that's what I want to work upon. Yeah. Don't forget to like the live stream and to share it as much as you can. Things are going a little late. I'm seeing that. I'm speaking something long before and you guys are getting it after some time. But yeah, that's fine for today. I'm just gonna tune into better software the next time. I'm really very sorry for the inconveniences. What about you guys? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now? What do you want to be in the future? How do you want to make your lifespan count in this on this earth? Don't forget to like the live stream and to share it as much as you can. I'm here waiting for your chats. I'm really very sorry for the background noise. Today is the day when I am free and tomorrow I'm gonna be busy again. You guys can ask me anything, not just related to science, anything that you want, anything that is convenient to you. I'm still not very sure about the ratio of this live stream, about the dimensions of it, but yeah, let it be as it is. I don't want to play with it. I don't know what I'll think when I'll rewatch this stream just in 5 minutes from now, maybe. I'm thinking of developing a course for Cosmic Wanderers, but I think that it'll take some time. What do you guys think about it? Should I work upon it, because it is gonna be a very big project if I take it up. And I don't just want to include the universe in that course. I want it to be with a quite broad base. I'm actually getting some chats on my WhatsApp which I'm not liking that much. You guys can Just text me here. You guys can be casual. Okay. Along. Yeah, so digital marketing is actually something very interesting, and it is going to be on a different level. I just took this course of digital marketing, which was free from Hello Viru. I've just started that course recently, and it is a very interesting thing because I'm also an author and I need to practice digital marketing here with my book as my product. Um it is an interesting thing to do, and in the future, considering the population of India, it is going to be a devastating field, and whosoever takes it, right now there are around 1 lakh jobs. It is predicted that 5 years from now there would be around 20 lakh jobs in digital marketing itself. So digital marketing is a great place to be. Many big companies offer placements in digital marketing, so that's an excellent choice for career. I'm really, I'm really very sorry for the background noise. I'm so sorry. Don't forget to share this video and ask others to tune in, because this is the first time I'm coming live and I really want at least all in all 30 people to watch this video. 30 people. It's no big deal. Because I know that who will watch a 1 hour stream after this? Nobody will. Either I'm getting your comments late or you guys are not just doing anything. I at least expected my moderators to be here, and my moderators just went away from the stream. Excellent job. Well, Cosmic Congress is not a very, it's not at a very good place as it should be in after being on YouTube for 1 year straight. But yeah, let's accept whatever it is. I am a typical uh, introvert. I am not an extrovert. Sometimes my social anxiety is at its peak. So I am an introvert. Yeah. Okay. I think most people these days are an introvert because we all are somewhere unconfident to speak out our heart. When it comes to presentation and to give speeches, I'm there. But if you just want me to talk to new people in a bar or in a club, I will not do it that easily. I don't trust people that easily. There have been many things. I'm really very sorry for the background noise. Just give me a second. I'm here. I am an introvert, okay. I am an introvert. I'm not an extrovert. I'm a typical introvert. Whenever you think of an introvert, just bring my face to your mind, okay? That's who I am. I'm really very sorry for the quality of this live stream. This is the first time I'm coming live on YouTube and I really do not know about the process. This is not how I look like in real. My face is not like that, okay? You guys can see all my other videos. You guys can ask me something. Don't forget to like and share. Only two of you are talking to me and I'm fine because there's nobody else here. I'm getting my questions quite late, yeah. It is happening. Okay. I did not quite get it, Aryan. Only the mods or the audience. Can you please elaborate a little? Mods, I mean, you're talking about moderators who I asked to be here. But what about the audience? I'm actually quite drenched. So if I look quite unenergetic, then it's because I'm drenched. Because I just came live. Yes, I was just live on Instagram and it was drenching. I think that I'm getting your questions late, but yeah, it's fine. Don't forget to like this stream, okay? Am I on? Yeah. I'm thankful for all of those who are joining. Yeah, I just got something here, I guess. On Instagram, on Cosmic Wonders. Yeah, maybe I can come live right now. Okay, I'll be live on Instagram as well, but I'm not very sure about coming live on Instagram here. And where should I keep my phone then? You'll see the difference in quality, I'm telling you. It's the Cosmic Wonders on Instagram or as well, okay? So you guys can tune in there. It's been almost 1 hour of me being live here. Hey people! Yes, I'm live on Instagram as well. Come on in. I can't be live on YouTube and Instagram like that. I think I should set my phone somewhere. Yeah. This can be. No. This is not that good. No. Hi. This is not that good either. Just give me a second. It's The Cosmic Wonders on Instagram, so tune in there as well. Okay. I'm not audible on Instagram, is it? Hello? Can you guys just go and check my Instagram? Hi. Okay. Uh, am I audible now? Not very sure about it, yeah. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm just changing the angle for a minute. Don't mind. And I suddenly think that this angle might be a little better. I'm thinking, but I'm not really very sure about it. I don't think so that I need to come live today on Instagram. Let's leave it for some other day. Okay. Share this live stream as much as you can. It's been more than 1 hour since I've been sitting here, but whatever it is, my battery is about to go down. So it's just 15 more minutes that I'm here. I'm tired of doing this now, and the next time you'd see the difference between the first stream and the second stream. There will be a great difference. I'm very sorry. It's very late, okay. It's like I'm saying something 5 minutes ago and then I'm seeing myself 5 minutes after what I looked like when I said that statement. I need to change the software for sure. I don't know how many people in total tuned in. And I don't know if I'm getting the questions on time. So I'll just use my phone for that. I know, right? It's just you two talking to me right now. I don't know what the heck 5 others are doing. They should say something. But whatever it is, the next time I'll come live, I'll just drop a message a day before on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Maybe I'll come live at the same time on both of the apps. So I think that this is now getting almost done. It's just 4 people watching. So it was a nice stream. We'll meet some other day now. Maybe next week, not today. Yeah. Yeah, so you can join there. It was nice talking to you guys. It was nice being here. See you next time. Wish you a very good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.